We're now deep into 2025 and the tablet space has been heating up with new launches aimed at students, streamers, and casual users alike. Hey guys, CJ here, and in this video, we'll walk you through all the latest tablets priced up to 15,000 pesos that hit the Philippine market over the past few months. Just a disclaimer, the smartphones featured in this list were officially released in the Philippines during Q2 2025, that's April to June. Listed prices here reflect the suggested retail prices, or the SRP. Prices may change without prior notice. So what are you waiting for? Let's roll that intro. Let's start off with one of the biggest displays in this list, the TechLife Pad Plus. This tablet features a 12-inch 2K display with a resolution of 2000 by 1200 pixels. It's powered by a MediaTek Helio G91 processor paired with 8GB of RAM and 256GB of expandable storage. For connectivity, you get 4G LTE support, Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, and a USB Type-C port. The Pad Plus has an 8000 mAh battery with 18W wired fast charging and even supports 5W reverse wired charging, so you can top up other devices in a pinch. It's available in 3 colorways: Storm Gray, Sky Blue, and Moonlight Silver. This tablet officially launched in the Philippines with the price tag of 9,999 pesos. Next up is the Oppo Pad SE, which dropped in June 2025. This one offers an 11-inch Full HD Plus IPS LCD screen with a resolution of 1920 by 1200 pixels. It also has a 90Hz refresh rate and can hit up to 500 nits of brightness, decent for indoor and light outdoor use. Inside, it runs on the MediaTek Helio G100 chipset with 4GB of RAM and 128GB of internal storage. Just take note, there's no micro SD card slot here. Camera-wise, you get a 5MP rear and a 5MP front sensor. It also includes Wi-Fi 5, Bluetooth 5.4, USB Type-C, quad stereo speakers, and face unlock. The device is powered by a 9340 mAh battery with 33W wired charging and runs ColorOS 15 based on Android 15. At just 9,999 pesos, this one offers pretty decent value. It comes in Starlight Silver and Twilight Blue. Moving on to one of the most anticipated budgets this Q2, the Redmi Pad 2 4G. Launched in the Philippines on June 5, 2025, the Pad 2 sports an 11-inch 2.5K IPS LCD panel with a crisp 2560 by 1600 resolution, 90Hz refresh rate, and up to 600 nits of brightness in outdoor mode. Under the hood, it runs on the MediaTek Helio G100 Ultra with either 6 or 8GB of LPDDR4X RAM and comes in 128 or 256GB of UFS 2.2 storage. And yes, this one is expandable, up to 2TB via micro SD. You get an 8MP rear camera, a 5MP selfie shooter, and full connectivity support including 4G LTE, Wi-Fi 5, Bluetooth 5.3, GPS, a USB Type-C port, and even a 3.5mm headphone jack. It has quad stereo speakers with Dolby Atmos and runs on Xiaomi's new HyperOS 2 based on Android 15. Rounding it out is a 9000 mAh battery. The tablet comes in graphite gray and mint green. Pricing starts at 11,999 pesos for the 6GB plus 128GB variant and goes up to 13,999 pesos for the 8GB plus 256GB version. And finally, we have the Honor Pad X9A. It comes with an 11.5-inch 2.5K IPS LCD display with a 120Hz refresh rate and a resolution of 1504 by 2508 pixels. It peaks at 400 nits of brightness. Powering the device is a Snapdragon 685, which is a 6nm chip clocked up to 2.8 GHz. It's paired with 6GB of RAM and 128GB of internal storage. On the camera side, you get an 8MP autofocus rear camera and a 5MP selfie shooter. It supports Wi-Fi, Bluetooth 5.1, and has quad stereo speakers for better audio output. There's also a 4G LTE version available. It runs on Magic OS 9 based on Android 15 and is juiced up by an 8300 mAh battery with support for 35W fast charging. It comes in a single gray colorway. The Honor Pad X9A is officially priced at 10,999 pesos for the Wi-Fi variant. And that wraps up this list. Are you planning to pick one up soon? Which model do you think offers the best value in this range? Or do you have other options in mind? Let us know in the comment section below. If you find this content helpful and informative, give us a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, hit that bell icon to get notified of our future uploads. Follow us on the socials and visit yugatech.com for the latest tech news and reviews. Once again, this has been CJ and I'll catch you guys in the next video. Bye! See you later!